This is Oneplus NordCE review. OnePlus announced the NordCE phone in June 2021, and it is currently on sale in Europe, including the UK and India. It has a starting price of 22,999 rupees for the model with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, which is only available in India. The 8GB and 128GB model will cost you 24,999 rupees, £299, roughly $420, 550 Australian dollars, and the 12GB and 256GB model will cost you 27,999 rupees, £369, roughly $520, 680 Australian dollars. OnePlus NordCE's design tells you half the story of its pricing. In addition to Blue Void, Charcoal Black, and Silver Ray color variants, the OnePlus NordCE comes in 3 colors. This phone is made up of composite material, and it includes an aluminum frame, just like the OnePlus Nord. In addition, the glossy back has been replaced by this fine-looking matte finish. The sides have a purplish tint and the back panel changes its color between blue and green as the light falls on it. In addition to the power button on the right side of the phone, there are volume rockers on the left side of the device. You may also find a 3.5mm headphone jack, a single speaker and a USB Type-C port on the bottom of the device. On the left side, there is a dual SIM card slot. The OnePlus NordCE is 159.2 by 73.5 by 7.9mm and weighs just 170 grams. That makes it lighter and thinner than the OnePlus Nord by quite a margin. You will enjoy holding this phone in your hands, especially if you prefer compact phones. Thanks to the matte design of the OnePlus NordCE, it feels extremely comfortable and light in the hand. Towards the rear, you will find the triple camera array that is raised by a few millimeters. Overall, we like the design of the NordCE, even though it did not offer some key features, such as an alert slider and Gorilla Glass protection. The in-hand feel is excellent and the ergonomics are among the best we have encountered recently. This phone has a 6.43-inch AMOLED display, making it one of the more convenient smartphones in OnePlus Nord and N series lineups. It has a full HD+, 2400 by 1080p, resolution, 20:9 aspect ratio, and a 90Hz fluid refresh rate. The OnePlus NordCE has gone beyond the Gorilla Glass protection of the Nord, replacing it with Dragon Trail glass protection. It comes with a crisp, sharp AMOLED display with good viewing angles. It is also HDR certified, which means that you can view HDR content on Netflix, YouTube, and elsewhere. With a 90Hz refresh rate, you will get a smoother experience. There is also an option to switch back to 60Hz, which will extend the battery life. Performance was another area where OnePlus had to compromise in order to keep the price low and make the device more affordable than the OnePlus Nord. The device is equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G octa-core chipset, a processor clocked at 2.2 GHz and built on an 8nm fabrication process, while graphics are handled by the Adreno 619 GPU. This is also a 5G-ready chipset that features Qualcomm's X52 5G modem for 5G connectivity. Cameras have never been OnePlus' headline feature, be it on its flagship or mid-range devices. On the OnePlus NordCE, you will find 3 cameras on the back and 1 on the front, 1 less camera sensor on each side compared to the OnePlus Nord. You get a 64MP primary camera with an f/1.79 aperture. The camera also has ISO and captures images in 16MP resolution by default. The secondary 8MP camera has a 119-degree field of view and an f/2.25 aperture. And lastly, you get a 2MP mono lens with an f/2.25 aperture. The Auto HDR feature ensures that the image is not too dark or overexposed and proves useful more often than one might think. There is no doubt that the 64MP pictures are more than twice the size of the 16MP pictures, but it does bring out more details and enables you to zoom in a bit more than you could with the 16MP images. A 2MP monochrome camera is also provided on the back for black and white shots. To access the mono mode, click on the filter icon at the bottom right of the screen and scroll to the bottom. It is equipped with a 16MP camera on the front that uses a Sony IMX471 sensor with an f/2.45 aperture. The selfies appear well in good lighting conditions, but we did find it over-sharpening a bit too much. It runs Oxygen OS 11 based on Android 11 out of the box and includes the May 2021 security patch. There has been a confirmation from OnePlus that the smartphone will receive 2 years of Android updates and 3 years of security updates. However, OnePlus has become somewhat slow with software updates and fixes in recent months, so we would not hold our breath on this one. The OnePlus NordCE features a 4500 mAh battery, which is a significant upgrade over the 4115 mAh battery on the OnePlus Nord. While the battery size on paper appears to be just above average, The overall battery life we experienced was excellent. OnePlus bundles a 30 watts fast charger with the device, and now it has been renamed Warp Charge 30T Plus. It takes approximately 60 minutes to fully charge the device, with over 60% of the charging occurring within the first 30 minutes. There is no headphone jack on the Oneplus NordCE, as there is only one bottom-firing superlinear speaker. It was quite loud, yet it still falls behind other dual stereo speaker setups. There is also an equalizer that is available for both wired and wireless earphones. Finally, the call quality was outstanding and the network reception was also excellent. The microphone audio picks up was also quite good because we were able to access the Google Assistant hand-free a number of times.